Landlord Studio is a property management tool that's been gaining popularity, but before you make the decision to buy, there are a few things you need to know. In this video, we'll take a closer look at 12 key points you should consider, especially when compared to other property management software out there. First off, it's important to know that Landlord Studio's user interface is very intuitive. You don't need to be tech savvy to get started. This makes it an appealing option for first-time landlords, unlike other software that may have a steeper learning curve. Next thing to consider, pricing. Landlord Studio offers a free plan with basic features, but you'll need a paid subscription to access more advanced tools like accounting and invoicing. If you're running a larger portfolio or need detailed reports, you'll find these additional features worth the price, but compared to competitors, it's more affordable and offers good value for the features included. The third thing you need to know is the mobile app experience. Landlord Studio has one of the best apps in the market, with both Android and iOS versions available. This gives you the flexibility to manage your properties on the go. Many other property management apps lack this level of mobile support, making this a strong selling point. The fourth thing is the accounting tools. Landlord Studio comes with built-in accounting features such as expense tracking, invoicing, and tax reports. While it's great for most landlords, if you're running a much larger operation, you might find the accounting features slightly basic when compared to specialized property management software that integrates directly with accounting platforms like QuickBooks. Next, we'll talk about tenant communication. Landlord Studio enables direct communication with tenants through the app, which is a real-time advantage. If you're dealing with multiple properties, this saves time. However, it might lack some advanced communication features that other tools, like PropertyWare, offer. The sixth thing to keep in mind is lease management. With Landlord Studio, you can easily create, sign, and store leases online. It simplifies the process and provides peace of mind, but some competitors offer more customization options for lease agreements. The seventh point, document storage. You can upload and organize documents like lease agreements, receipts, and maintenance requests in Landlord Studio. This can be a huge time saver, especially if you're managing multiple properties. However, if you need a larger storage capacity or advanced document management, you might find it more limited compared to bigger platforms. The eighth thing is maintenance tracking. Landlord Studio offers a straightforward way to track maintenance requests and tasks, but other software like AppFolio might provide a more detailed and integrated system for large-scale maintenance operations. The ninth thing to know is the reporting system. Landlord Studio offers essential reporting options, such as profit and loss statements and tax summaries. While functional, some alternatives like Buildium offer more robust and customizable reporting options that might be better for larger real estate businesses. The 10th point, tenant screening. Landlord Studio offers tenant screening tools like background checks and credit reports. It's a convenient feature, especially for small to medium landlords. However, competitors like Tenant Cloud offer a more comprehensive suite of tenant screening services, which may include more detailed background checks or integrated eviction history. Next, let's talk about integrations. Landlord Studio supports integrations with payment platforms, accounting software, and more. However, some larger property management systems support a wider range of third-party integrations, which could be crucial if you're running a big operation. The 12th thing is customer support. Landlord Studio's customer service is generally responsive, with multiple support channels including email and live chat. That said, it may not offer the 24/7 support that you might find with competitors like Rentec Direct, especially if you're managing properties across different time zones. Overall, Landlord Studio offers a solid and affordable property management solution, especially for smaller to medium-sized landlords. It's intuitive, mobile-friendly, and has useful features for managing leases, accounting, and communication. But if you're looking for more advanced features or a broader integration ecosystem, you might want to explore other options. If you're looking for an even better option, check out our recommended solution that you can try for free. It offers a more comprehensive